align. Suppose let's say if you have to remove this also you can remove. Suppose what I will do, okay, as if now let this be as it is. Okay, so the remaining things I will do it. Okay, so for all the things, suppose let's say you want to apply this text align center, you can do that. I'm removing from here, you see. Later on again I will add it. As if now I'm just removing. Okay, I'm not adding anything, I'm just removing this one. So only in the background style, see here I added the div container, right? For the whole things I want the text align to be centered. So all the things at once you can keep. Wait. Let us save this once again and then we will add it again. Okay, so this is how it works. Fine. Now maybe what you want to do is, instead of adding the background style for all the elements at once, right? What we want, let's say for this text align is what for button element here you see, what is the text align? It is entirely towards the right side. Yes or no? Text align is towards the right side. So what I will do is, here I'll remove this one from here, ma. If you want to apply at a time for all, you can do that, or else here I'm saying text align I will keep it as a right for these elements, and for paragraph and for these two I'll keep the text align left. For heading and paragraph I'll keep the text align left. Okay, now and you see here these two things we got it as the left side and this one we got as a towards the right. Okay, so we have a lot of other things also to discuss, but yeah, let us just go ahead with this one a little bit. What I want is, this is our background color, right? Yes or no, everyone? This is our background color as of now. So for this background color, let's say little bit this part we want to add. See here directly it is going totally towards the corner, right? This part is going totally towards the corner left. So let some gap should be there, right? We want some gap here. Okay, here as well as for this button also some gap, it should come little bit towards this side, right? Some gap should be there. So in order to give the gap, what we should do now, we have two properties like a padding and margin. Two things are there. So now first let us understand something about the padding. Okay, padding means, see here ma, in this button element we have this text, right? Yes or no? In this button element we have this text. So this text, okay, from this total that radius total bag, what you can say, this border, from this border to center, whatever the space that we have, right? What is it known as? What is that known as? The space, the space from here to here, what is it considered as? Padding. That is considered to be the padding one. Okay, and the other part, Okay, from here outside, whatever we have, that is considered to be the margin. Okay, outside this, whatever we have, that is considered to be the margin. Okay, above this. But padding means it's inside. Okay, from the text to that ending part, whatever we have, that is considered to be the padding, right? And we have other thing which is known as a margin. So now I want to add these things over here. What I'll do is, for the heading element, let's write something. See, just observe once. I want to just show this part for you. Let's give something like a margin left, and I'll give it as a 15 pixel. Just observe once. Only for the heading element I gave like a margin left. Okay, can you see now? Okay, some gap is coming. In the same manner for paragraph also, like margin left, margin right, margin top, margin bottom will be there, right? And let's say for this I also want to add the padding. Padding means, you see what is the difference. Did you see the difference for margin? This is margin. This is actually the whole element that we have. For this, the margin is coming here. Now if I'm going with the padding for the same thing. Okay, can you see? Between the margin means outside, the padding means here. Before there was nothing, it was directly going to the corner, but now there is some gap between this line and here, right? That is generally considered to be the padding. Okay, and the same thing we will add even for this as well. For what? For paragraph A. For this also we will add the padding. Okay, this is how it looks. Now for button also we want that to be coming little bit this side, right? So then what I am supposed to add? Margin. 15 pixel as well. Okay. Right. Got it? Yeah. What one? Once again repeat. Yeah. See, I will explain again. Padding margin again I will explain in detail. So today just one page, right? Some simple web page we are creating. That's it. Nothing else other than that. So we are creating this part. Okay. So let me tell you. See, now this one we have added, right? Margin means what? For this whole page, okay, like a, what I can say, wait a minute, I'll show you. Margin means what? See, generally, whatever this whole H1 element is occupying, okay, above that or below that or left side or right side, okay, that is considered to be the margin. Padding means what? Padding means only inside, the inside part. See, this is our the background, right? This is the background for this one. Suppose, wait, I will show you. Let us change this color once to the dark one. Then you can understand little bit easily. What I'll keep? I'll keep something like a orange color. Okay. Now you see. See, the background color is different and this margin is different, right? This, sorry, the heading element is different. Now for this heading element, Okay, whatever the space is there from here to here, see L is there, it is not directly occupying up to the left side. See what I mean to say is, suppose let's say I'll remove this. Okay, I'm removing this padding. Just observe what will happen. Here you see it is occupying, going totally towards this corner, only up to orange part. It is going to the corner, right? Yes or no? That part I want to change towards the right side little bit. Then I need to keep this as a padding. Okay, now I added something like a 5 pixel. Now you see here it was. Now you see the space between this part. Can you see now? So there is some space coming here. Only the orange part. I am not talking about outside. The outside is the margin one. Only here means the padding. So now let's say I'll remove this margin left. Now you observe. So it is going totally towards this side. Okay, that is margin. Outside it is margin. Inside it is padding. Clear? Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. This is the padding part. Now, fine. We have lot of other things as well. Okay. Right. So now, see here. What we were. So this part is completed now. Again, if you observe, even here also we need some margin at the top also, because it should not directly occupy. There should some difference should be given. What I will do for this heading element, I will also add the margin top. Okay. Oh, sorry, wait. Actually, there is no other space for it, so it is occupying directly the entire space. It is directly going up. నిన్న వరకు అక్కడ పెట్టారు మ్యామ్ ఎవరో చార్జర్ బ్లాక్ కలర్ చార్జర్. Okay, so this one, wait a minute. Actually, we don't have any other space, that's why it is not going. So we need to pull it little bit down. But that we have, right. Increase the size. This is not coming. Wait. For this, what I am supposed to do? Height with I have to change. It will come basically, but here what happened is there is no particular size. So let us go with the height of this one as a 30 pixel for heading element. Let's check once. This is going, but it is not going. Can we give margin bottom? Directly I'll keep margin as a 5 pixel. Let's check once. As this background, this is directly occupying this is not coming, but it will come for few things. I'll give margin for the whole thing. Why it is not coming? It's okay. We'll see this because the background part is occupying this totally. So now I'll keep only margin left. What I will do is still this is not coming. What's the size and all this? Yeah, got it. See here, this is outside, right? This is inside. What I have done is within this, for this one I have added a padding. See, for this background element, the background color, right? For this element, for this part, these all elements will be considered as a padding. Yes or no? Right? All the things, elements, this will be considered as a padding part. So what I did, I have added the padding over here. Okay, so then that is reflected. So this is fine. As if now it is okay. Up to this we got it. Clear everyone? All of you? Yes or no? Now one more thing is here. I also want to add the background radius. Border radius. Let's say I will add 5 pixel and border. See, I'll tell you what I am doing here. Save this. Radius is been reflecting, and in the same manner this is one. Okay. I'll tell that again. But up to this, it is clear, everyone. Right? So this is a simple web page which we have created up to now. Right. So the rest of the things, actually we have to align this towards the corner here, and background image, some other image also should be added. These all things will also be there. Okay, so we can add even those things also.
మా మామయ్యలు
Tell you again. Okay?
పోతుర్రు ఇలా పల్లె ఇవి తేనెగడ పిల్లరు కాలు మీదకి ఎట్టరా, నీకు కాలుకి ఏమైనా అయిందనుకో దేశం పోవుగా. పొడి దిగురా.
So this is one thing. I will also, I can write one more div container also. Okay, it's not like we have to add only one div like this. I can add one more div container. Let's say
గోవర్కని వస్తున్నావు
what
భయ్యా.
I will do is I will say background image
గోవర్కని పోవాలి.
okay. Just for this one I am adding one more, which is a background image also I want to add. Complete even this and
భయ్యా వస్తావా? 29
okay. So for all these things I want to add a background image. So for adding a background image, you can select the images from some website, anything you can just consider here. Something which is related to this part.
విక్రాంత్ అంటే అక్కడ విక్రాంత్ పెళ్ళికి డైరెక్ట్ బకెట్ డ్రమ్ చికెన్ తెస్తా. అలా అన్నదానికి బకెట్ తెచ్చినా కానీ ఆ పెళ్ళికి డ్రమ్ తెస్తా. చేసి చిన్నప్పుడు చేసి తెంగేసి చాలు నిలబడ్డా నిలబడి వీకెండ్ అప్పుడేగా 3 తల కట్టుకొని వీకెండ్
I'm just taking one image
తల
that
పెట్టిండు
I
తలకి
want to add here.
బంగారు అనుకుంటాను మాకు ఏంటి సైలెన్స్ అసలు.
I'll tell you.
కాలికి ఇట్లా వస్తుంది కదా మరి ఇట్లాడు ఆయన పక్క పోటీ ఏం చదువు పోయినాకో
So it is coming, actually the background is coming, but let me check why it is coming this many times.
భరత్ అని స్టార్ట్ ఇలా 7 ఆయన మీద ఏ 9 వరకు అది ఏదో అట్లా ఫార్మాలిటీ అట్లా అంటారు. సెక్రటరీజేనా అనేరుడుగా మొదలుపైపు ఇదని రోడ్డు
Maybe this is a less size image. Let us check the other image. Wait.
కోళ్ళడం అంతే మెలవు కోళ్ళంతా కూర్చోయి కింద పడేవంట కొంచెం స్పీడ్ ఉంటాయి ఏంటి ఏంటి ఏమన్నాడు
Yes. Still it is
ముసలాగు మెల్లమెల్ల జారకూడదు అందరికి ఫస్ట్ డబ్బులు మాట్లాడు మా ఊరా నడుచుకుంటారా బండ్లు ఆపుతలేరా
బండ్లు ఆపరు కానీ
ఒకవేళ